For me, I love the swing stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I want to hear your swing music.
Let's do swing.
Let's do some swing.
You want to hear some swing?
Yeah, let's swing, Scott.
Yeah?
I want to swing with you, Scott.
Let's go.
That is not many buttons done up on his shirt.
Okay. So how are we feeling so far? We feeling good? Down here, we feeling good? I might come down there. Beautiful. Okay.
Confident.
Oh, me and Mrs. Jones. You like that? We got a thing going on. Now we both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now. Me and Mrs. Jones.
Go on.
Ladies and gents, I got a quick question for all of you this evening. Give me a cheer if you want me to take my shirt off. Are you sure? Yeah? Like this. Cheer louder. Wait, it's stuck.
He's the shy one of the family.
Oh, yeah. I want a shirt. Thank you. Thank you very much. Been amazing.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Right, I'm good. You?
Good.
Hi, Cheryl.
Hi. What's your name?
Dino.
Dino.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
I'm 22.
What would you describe your first album cover to look like?
Oh, I'm gonna look like this. Right, it's gonna fire behind me, and then me standing like that.
Yeah, because that's not cheesy at
No,
all.
not cheesy like this, like serious, like fire. Or fire. Fire. Fire.
Put your t-shirt on.
Fire.
Dino, what's the song?
Oh, Ollie Murs, Thinking of Me.
Off you go.
Intro. This is what I'll be like. O2 Arena. Dean Bailey. Winter time in London, are you making plans? Are you still rocking Converse in your old Ray-Bans? Are you sitting in the places that we used to be? Or if you're somewhere listening to Bob Marley, then I know that you're somewhere thinking of me. Do you still pick up the seashells on that Pebble Beach? There we used to be, and your dad came out and chased me down the street. Do you remember just how scared I used to be? Then I know that you're somewhere thinking of me.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Why'd you stop it?
I couldn't listen to any more of that.
He was getting so emotional.
Look, Dean, if I'm being honest with you,
Yeah.
I'm kind of getting the feeling here that you've done this because you want to be on TV. You know you can't sing.
No, honestly with you, I honestly want this so much.
It's beginning to feel like an audition for The Only Way is Essex.
Oh, no.
So I feel slightly used here.
No, no.
You're hurting his feelings now.
If you put me through, honestly, I'd prove to you. I know it's going to take hard work. I'm not saying it's going to be...
It would take a miracle.
Ooh.
Listen, Dino, seriously, you're a nice guy. I think you should join the Chippendales or something.
What's that? Oh, that's that
The
strip group,
Chippendales,
isn't
it's
it?
like
I think I'm too short.
show off your body and stuff. And there's no singing involved.
Oh, all right.
Simon.
I've said it, it's a no.
Cheryl.
No, no.
It's enough from me too. Louis.
It's the wrong show for you, Dean, no.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Sorry.
No.
Oh, hello, Tony! Can't go!
Frankie's gonna take it off.
I'm wearing pants,
Yes.
but I can pose naked.
Oh,
Okay.
no, thank you.
Number 1, football player naked pose. Come on. Don't worry, I'm wearing. Okay. Number 2. Okay, horse racer naked pose. Come on. Don't worry, I'm wearing. Okay. Number 3. James Bond naked pose.
James Bond, yeah.
Come on.
Come on!
I love it so much.
Don't worry, I'm wearing. Hey.
It's genius.
Finally,
Don't stop.
Spice Girls
Spice Girls,
wannabe
wannabe.
naked pose. Come on.
Come on!
Don't worry, I'm wearing.
That's the best thing I've seen in ages.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, Tony!
Please wait. Okay.
Tony, you might actually be my favourite contestant of the whole series so far.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimashita.
No, arigato gozaimasu to you!
Yeah, thank you. Oh my God.
Come on, Tony! Bruno, what did
Oh,
you
listen,
think?
I have to say, you definitely have balls. Great, what can I say?
Thank you.
Amanda?
Tony, you are absolutely unique, and it felt very Britain's Got Talent. I loved it.
Thank you.
Simon?
Honestly, you are the funniest contestant we've had on all year. Seriously.
Funny boy.
Really, really funny and original.
Thank you. Simon naked pose.
No.
Simon.
No. Always keep them waiting, Tony.
We are going to have to take a vote now, though.
Oh, it's a yes for me.
Yes.
Amanda?
It's a yes from me, Tony.
Thank you.
Tony Kaku?
Tony Kaku.
It's a yes from me!
Really?
Yes! Simon?
Tony, honestly, you are unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
You are brilliant.
Simon love me.
I absolutely love you.
Unbelievable.
You have 4 yeses.
Yes, thank you guys.
Thank you very much.
Codling.
Hello, Lewis. Where are you from?
I'm a London boy.
London. And how old are you?
I'm 27. I'm just singing for you today.
Oh, you're singing today? OK, brilliant. Good luck.
I've been really trying, baby. Trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, oh, come on.
Oh.
Yeah, a bit, man. Thanks, buddy.
Sorry, Norris.
Oh, yeah. Well, looky here, I wonder we have another big thing waiting for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf and she's rolling, 'cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so. Hey, that's what she said. You tell me, baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run, run, run away, baby. Run from my spell on you. You better get away now. 'Cause everything you heard is true. So you better run away, baby. See, I ain't trying to hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. See, I ain't trying to hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. If you're scared, you better run. You better run. Run away, baby.
There they go. Whoops. Whoops, there go my trousers.
Oh my God, how did this happen? How did this happen? Huh?
Why are his trousers still on? I tell you what, that was so crafty and so clever the way you did that, Lewis. That was brilliant.
You actually have me fooled. Thanks. Yeah, you're a very good actor. Where do you guys normally perform and gig?
We just literally put the whole show together. I've got a really dry mouth, it's fine.
David wants, do you want to give him some water?
There we go, no problem. No problem. Well done. Really good stuff, yeah? Really good. Let me just say, I'm not sure you really want me to take my clothes off, do you? It's not quite as nice as that.
I think, we're going to have to take a vote before things get out of hand. OK, David, yes or no?
Yeah, I'm sort of on the fence. OK, it's a yes, OK.
Alicia?
It's a yes from me, guys.
Simon?
I'm going to say yes.
Come on. 4 yeses, please.
And it's a big, fat, juicy yes from me.
Yeah! Thank you!
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Jimmy Tamley. I'm from Devon. I'm 64 years old.
You look amazing.
Jimmy, did you bring anyone with you?
I've got 8 children. I've got 5. My partner's got 3. And she's here with 2 of my kids.
Jimmy, what do you do for a living?
I'm a professional ventriloquist. I've been a ventriloquist for over 40 years. I've done pubs and clubs, even children's birthday parties.
OK, the stage is yours, Jimmy. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I need help from a couple of people. Any volunteers? Would you please help me welcome to stage David and Amanda? Please join me on stage. David and Amanda.
'Hooray! 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 'H
Hey, Amanda, thank you. You just face this way, guys, and I'll just stick this around your chops, Amanda.
Watch there.
Watch there.
Oh, wow, it's just a beautiful fit. Would you both like to turn around?
This is amazing! I look gorgeous! You really look lovely, Amanda. You are jaw-dropping.
So, do you have any hobbies?
I've got hobbies.
You've got hobbies, David?
Yeah.
Would you like to do them?
I like skipping.
Would you like to do some skipping here tonight, David?
I'd love to.
And actually, in fact, Amanda, we've got some skipping music.
Really?
Yeah.
Hit the skipping music. Go on, David. La 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 la.
David, Amanda!
That was amazing. I've got another hobby.
What's your other hobby, David?
I like ballet dancing.
Really?
I love to go ballet dancing. I love it.
Would you like to ballet dance tonight?
I'd love to. Hit the ballet dancing music! He's good.
It's very good.
Thank you. Thank you. Hang on now.
What?
I just remembered.
What's that, David?
I got another hobby.
Do you know what it is?
I dread to think. What's his other hobby?
I don't know his other hobby. Ask him.
What's your other hobby, David? Striptease.
Get your guitar.
I think we should hear the music. Hit the music, David. Hit the music. Here we go. Nice and sexy. Yeah. He's good.
He's good, isn't he?
He's very good. Oh. As you can see, yes, I am hot to trot. Yeah. Simon, Simon. Feel free. Come on, Simon. Oh, yeah. Help me. Help me. This is good, isn't it, Simon? Oh, yeah. Amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, David Williams. What do you reckon, David?
You got a yes from me?
And Amanda?
You got a yes from me, too.
Gentlemen, David and Amanda, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.